If you want to change your iPhone alarm sound to anything, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, for that step, we need to actually download GarageBand. And we're going to be able right here to see the home screen. I know it's kind of switched up, right? You're going to be able to just see the interface after you download it. Start recording your own voice or your own music, right? And after you finish, you're going to click the recording button at the top right, the same button, just to stop the recording, right? And then basically if you want to save that recording, basically you're gonna be able to save it as a file, right? After you recorded it automatically, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and then go ahead to your files, okay? And then you're gonna be able right here to see on your files, right, on my iPhone or iCloud drive, you're gonna be able to see a file specifically for GarageBand. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the specific file. Let me show you a demonstration right here. So go to the specific file, let's say this file, right? Hold, right? And just click share button, right? You're gonna see a share button. Click on it, right? And you're gonna be able to see an option just like this. If you want to share the song that you just recorded, you can share it as a song or ringtone. You're gonna move along to the ringtone, right? And you're gonna add the title or the name for the ringtone. And basically, you're gonna be able to go back to your screen and then go ahead to your settings, right? And then scroll a little bit down to the sounds and haptics and go to the ringtone or the text tone, whatever it may be. In our case, the alarm, right? So we're gonna go ahead to the alerts, for example the calendar alerts from here, and we're gonna change it to our new song, okay? Or we could just go ahead to the reminder alerts or default alerts and all that, and then basically I'm gonna be able to change it to the new song, okay? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And basically if you want to do it on your alarm, meaning that your clock or alarm or your basically your alarms on your on your iPhone instead of the alerts, you could just go ahead and click your timing and then go to the sounds, and then basically you're gonna be able right here to see the same settings as the ringtones. So see you in the next one.